Tired of scrolling through irrelevant contacts in Aisensy and want to declutter your database for laser-focused campaigns? This video will show you exactly how to delete contacts in Aisensy, whether you need to remove one or many. Let's get started. First, log into your Aisensy account and navigate to the Contacts section on the dashboard. This is usually located in the main menu on the left side of your screen. To delete a single contact, find the contact you wish to remove from your list. You can use the search bar at the top to quickly locate them. Once you have found your contact, click on the three dots or ellipsis icon, typically located to the right of the contact's name. A drop-down menu will appear with a number of options. Select Delete from the menu. A confirmation pop-up will appear, asking you to confirm the deletion. Click Yes or Confirm to permanently remove the contact. Be careful, as this action is irreversible. To delete multiple contacts at once, use the checkboxes next to each contact's name. Select all the contacts you want to delete. After selecting your contacts, look for a Bulk Actions or similar button, usually at the top or bottom of the contact list. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with various bulk options. Select Delete from this list. Just like with single contact deletion, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Make sure you have selected the correct contacts before confirming, as deleting in bulk is also irreversible. Click Yes or Confirm to proceed. And that's it. You've successfully deleted contacts in Aisensy. Keeping your contact list clean and up to date will help you improve your campaign targeting and maintain a streamlined database for more effective communication.